Okay, so you guys, this is where I get my produce. No, I'm just kidding. Check this out. Just riding up here, there's a few vending machines that sell fresh vegetables straight out of the farm. So, I think I'm going to try some of these green beans. Yeah, those look pretty good. Let's see, I'll put 100 yen in there. Turn it, and then open it. And there we go. I got my green beans. This eggplant, that looks good. They have Kyoto is kind of famous for its eggplant. They also have rice in here. I'll bet that's good. Maybe I'll get some of that. That's kind of heavy though. I'll come back for the rice later. But, these eggplants over here, they look pretty plump and juicy, so let's try those. Alright. Eggplants for $1. That's alright. That's pretty good, huh? Straight off the farm. Maybe I'll come back and get some, what is that? Jagga-imo, sweet potatoes? Or if it's just potatoes, strange looking potatoes. Anyway, so I've got my dinner for tonight. I'll make a curry, a veggie curry. Yeah, so here you go. Countryside veggie vending machines. That's how I do my bike shopping. See you later. Bye.